and I don't really know what comes next.
What's up everybody, today I have this K11 from Kieslect. I have already reviewed their K10 a few weeks ago. I have been using this K10 for a while now, almost more than a month, and I'm super excited about this K11 because this one comes with 1.39-inch Ultra AMOLED panel. There is always on display, 40 days standby, easy 24-hour health management, extremely slim metal body. 330 mAh battery, sleep monitoring, music control, search phone, waterproof IP68 rating, call and SMS reminder, full touch color screen, 2.5D FHD screen, heart rate and SpO2 monitoring, 20 workout moods, weather forecast, customized dial, sedentary reminder, compatible with Android and iOS phones.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies.
Inside the box, you will get a user manual and a proprietary charging cable. Yeah, this charging cable is a very good quality one. After I have bought that Kieslect K10, I have noticed they provide very good charging cables. Let's throw everything aside. Wow, this one definitely is a bigger one. The display is definitely bigger than my K10. Yes, side by side at a glance you may not notice the difference, but yeah, it's a bit bigger. Kieslect K10 comes with 1.32-inch display panel and this one comes with 1.39-inch display panel. Okay, this one is Kieslect K11. After I have unboxed this product and after I have recorded the first 2 minutes of this video, I have started using this one. It's been a few days now and I'm here with a small bowl of water. On the box I have read it's written IP68 waterproof. Okay, they say it's IP68. Now I'm gonna dip it in water.
But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't.
Okay, I have already dipped this one into water for 3 times. You have already watched it. Let's see whether it's still working or not. As I mentioned earlier, I have been using this one, so it's already paired with my smartphone. Let's try to change a watch face. Okay, it's working. I have managed to synchronize a new dial or new watch face. Let's try one more. Wow, this display panel is really nice. This display panel is actually one of the finest among all the smartwatches that I have used. Especially among all the affordable smartwatches, this one is the best. Okay, this smartwatch Kieslect K11 comes with TPU silicone smartwatch bands. This one is good, very comfortable, but they have also provided one set of smartwatch bands for free with this order. Yeah, this one is definitely comfortable because I have been using one of these with my Kieslect K10 for almost months, but I'm gonna use my smartwatch bands. This means you can select any smartwatch bands and use that smartwatch bands with your Kieslect K11. It's really very easy to interchange the smartwatch bands and it offers convenience and makes this smartwatch more fashionable.
And I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside.
Okay, there are 6 different watch faces available on your smartwatch. You don't have to use the application to change or interchange between these watch faces, but if you want, you can download and synchronize a lot of, like countless of watch faces are available on that application. Let me show you. It's like endless. There are lots of different watch faces. Wow, this one should look very good on this smartwatch because this smartwatch comes with 454 by 454 pixels. This is Ultra AMOLED and yeah, this one is comparable to any other $300 or $400 flagship smartwatches. I mean, the display panel. Okay, what about build quality? This one comes with super slim metal frame and ceramic back panel or rear panel. Build quality is premium. There is 2.5D glass on top of this display panel. The curves, the edges, everything is premium. There is no gap. You won't feel it when you touch through the edges. Like its younger brother Kieslect K10, this one also comes with 330 mAh battery, but this one actually doesn't offer as long battery life as Kieslect K10 because I have managed to squeeze around 15 days of usage time with that Kieslect K10, but this one offers around 11 days of usage. I am a power user. I always keep heart rate monitoring and blood oxygen monitoring running in the background, so maybe that's why it was draining battery faster than usual. But usually you can get up to 20 days of battery life if you use this in normal mode with half the brightness. Yeah, it's possible to squeeze up to 20 days of battery life and 40 days of standby time. Well, like its younger brother, this one also comes with heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, weather forecast and sleep time monitoring. You can also control your music, and there are 20 different workout modes: walking, running, indoor running, cycling, climbing, spinning bike, yoga, skipping, gymnastics, jumping jack, badminton, ping pong, which is table tennis, football, basketball, tennis, hockey, rugby, boating, sit-ups, and free. There is only one thing I don't like about this smartwatch is there is no auto brightness. You have to select your brightness. If you are using it at 100%, then battery will get drained faster. As I mentioned, I couldn't go beyond 11 days, but if you can live with 50% battery, it will go more than 15 days. You can use always on display. This one actually doesn't drain that much of a battery, but definitely drains a bit of a battery. Like its younger brother Kieslect K10, this one also performs very well, offers a very accurate heart rate monitoring, offers a very accurate heart rate data. Blood oxygen monitoring is also perfectly okay. I like to have this weather forecast option. You tap on weather and yeah, it's gonna show you the forecast. You will get call notification, SMS notification and other application notification if you turn those options on. Like I have selected to have call reminder or call notification. I can actually reject a call. I cannot receive a phone call on this one because there is no microphone, there is no speaker on this one. But the haptic motor of this smartwatch is way better than its predecessor and way better than any other smartwatches within this price segment.
I can't seem to get out, but something deep inside.
I must mention one more time about this always on display. This one actually reminds me about 2006 or 2007 when I used to wear wristwatches, not smartwatches. Yeah, those expensive wristwatches looks like this and wow, it looks cool. This one actually saves battery and offers convenience because you don't have to go through like, okay, let's see what time it is. It's always on. This is AOD, always on display. No, look at this. I have like 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 here. There is another 13. My Apple Watch, Samsung Watch, and 6 other in my home. So yeah, altogether that's 22. I have 22 smartwatches and I love the display panel of this Kieslect K11. After using this one for more than a week, I'm in love with this one. If you're looking for the best smartwatch within $70 US, then Kieslect K11 is the one that you should get. But if you cannot afford $70 US, then they have another solution within $50 US, that's Kieslect K10. Well, what do you think about this video? What do you think about this smartwatch? Please don't forget to make a comment in the comment section below. Also, if you have liked this video, then please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Share the love.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside